Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the amazing health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a powerful herb that has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help boost your immune system and improve your overall health. In this video, we will explore the many ways in which ginger can benefit your health, from reducing inflammation to aiding digestion. So, if you're looking to improve your health naturally, be sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Let's get started. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, has been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. This aromatic spice, native to Southeast Asia, possesses a distinctive flavor and a wide range of health benefits. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation, ginger has been celebrated for its potent properties. In this article, we will delve into the numerous benefits of ginger and explore how incorporating this versatile root into your daily routine can contribute to overall well-being. Whether consumed as a spice in meals, brewed into tea, or used topically, ginger offers a natural and holistic approach to promoting health and vitality. Let's uncover the remarkable advantages that ginger brings to the table. Here are 20 potential benefits of ginger. Digestive aid. Ginger helps stimulate digestion, reduces bloating, and alleviates symptoms of indigestion such as nausea and flatulence. Nausea and vomiting. Ginger is highly effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, including morning sickness in pregnant women and postoperative nausea. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body and relieve pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Pain relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it beneficial for reducing muscle and joint pain. It may be helpful for conditions such as osteoarthritis and menstrual cramps. Cold and flu relief. Ginger has warming properties and can help soothe symptoms of the common cold, including cough, sore throat, and congestion. Immune booster. The antioxidants in ginger help strengthen the immune system, making it more resilient against infections. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that ginger may have anti-cancer properties and could help inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. Blood sugar control. Ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. Heart health. Ginger may have cardiovascular benefits such as reducing blood pressure and improving blood circulation. Weight management. Ginger can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss by increasing calorie burning and reducing appetite. Menstrual pain relief. Ginger has been used traditionally to alleviate menstrual pain and cramps. Migraine relief. Some studies indicate that ginger may help reduce the intensity and duration of migraines. Respiratory health. Ginger has expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and phlegm, making it useful for respiratory conditions like bronchitis and asthma. Brain health. Certain compounds in ginger may have neuroprotective properties and could potentially help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Anti-nausea during chemotherapy. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. Anti-flatulence. Ginger can help relieve gas and bloating by reducing intestinal spasms. Improved digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Antimicrobial properties. Ginger contains compounds that have antimicrobial effects, which may help fight against certain bacteria and viruses. Anti-inflammatory for the gut. Ginger may help reduce inflammation in the gut and provide relief for conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease. Skin health. Ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can benefit the skin by reducing inflammation, improving complexion, and promoting overall skin health. It's important to note that while ginger has many potential benefits, individual experiences may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. In conclusion, ginger offers numerous health benefits that have been recognized and utilized for centuries. Its active compounds, such as gingerol and shugale, possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Ginger has been found to aid in digestion, relieve nausea and vomiting, reduce muscle pain and soreness, lower blood sugar levels, and support cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that ginger may be effective in managing various conditions, including arthritis, gastrointestinal disorders, respiratory infections, and menstrual pain. Additionally, ginger has demonstrated potential anti-cancer properties and may help protect against certain types of cancer. Moreover, ginger is a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into daily meals, beverages, and even natural remedies. Whether consumed fresh, dried, or in the form of supplements, ginger offers a natural and accessible way to enhance overall well-being. However, it is important to note that individual responses to ginger may vary, and it may interact with certain medications. As with any dietary or health-related changes, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating ginger into your routine, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or concerns. Ginger's impressive array of health benefits makes it a valuable addition to a balanced and nutritious diet, contributing to improved overall health and wellness. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing health benefits of ginger. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.